Welcome to Valkyrie Simple Finance. Understanding before investing. Most budgets don't fail because people are bad with money. They fail because the budget was never realistic. People think budgeting means restriction, cutting everything fun, tracking every penny. That's why they quit. A budget isn't a punishment. It's a plan for telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. Every working budget has three parts: what you must spend, what you choose to spend, and what you set aside for the future. Needs keep your life running. Housing, food, utilities. Wants improve your life, but they're optional. Most budgets fail here. People underestimate wants. They forget irregular costs, and they budget for who they wish they were, not who they actually are. A working budget is simple. Fixed costs first, savings second. Everything else is flexible. That flexibility is what makes it sustainable. Two people earn the same income. One budgets perfectly on paper. The other budgets simply in real life. Only one sticks with it. Here's the rule. If your budget makes you feel guilty, it won't last. Budgeting creates control. Control creates safety, and safety lets you plan ahead. That's why the next step is building an emergency fund. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about awareness, and awareness changes behavior. In the next video, we'll explain emergency funds and why one bad month can undo years of progress.